Sherry, and today we're going to be making cheesy potato bacon soup in the crock pot. It's very easy and very delicious. So the ingredients we're going to use are 1 bag of frozen diced hash browns, 1 big can of cream of chicken soup, a box of chicken stock, 3 ounces of bacon bits. I got these kind that's the real bacon crumbles, some shredded cheddar cheese, and some cream cheese. So, like I said, this is very easy, very great for a nice cold winter day. So, you take your crock pot and you just start pouring your ingredients in. There's the hash browns, then the cream of chicken soup, make sure we get it all out. Chicken stock, and our bacon bits. The recipe calls for 3 ounces, and that's how big this package happens to be, so I don't even have to measure anything. Put it in the crock pot, give it a little mix. And then we just put the lid on, and you can put it on low for about 5 hours or on high for about 2. And we'll come back to it later. Okay, here we are a few hours later. And remember how one of our ingredients was cream cheese? Well, I took the whole block of cream cheese and cut it up into small chunks. And we're going to add that to the soup now. Give it a little stir to mix everything up, and then we'll let it cook for another ½ hour so it gets nice and creamy. Okay, it's about a ½ hour later. Let's see how it's doing. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells great. Looks like the cream cheese is all mixed in. So it's time for soup. Put some in a bowl, and then if you want to make it extra cheesy, which I do, just add some cheddar on top and enjoy.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.